एंड वी आर बैक। भाई भूत भूत से तो सारे लोग डरते हैं, बट आज की कहानी सुनने के बाद आप सोच में पड़ जाओगे कि भूत ज्यादा डरावने होते हैं या इंसान। ये सच्ची कहानी है बैंगलोर की, और ट्विस्ट ये है कि इस कहानी को मिलकर मैं और आप एनैक्ट करेंगे। तो मैं एक लाइन बोलूंगी और स्क्रीन पर जो टेक्स्ट आएगा वो पढ़कर आप बोलने वाले हो, ओके? जिससे आपकी फ्लुएंसी भी बढ़ेगी। लेट्स बिगिन। Hey Shani, the movie was great, yeah. But look, it's already 1:30. Stay in my PG tonight. Tomorrow you can leave. Exactly. I'll just put a mattress for you. You can sleep here for the night. No worries, I'll set it up. You just relax. Shani, what happened? Why are you sitting up like that? What? Right now? At this hour? Are you serious? Wait, what's wrong? Are you okay? Someone? What are you talking about? There's no one here but us. Shrini, are you kidding? Don't freak me out. Oh my god, this can't be real. What do we do? How does he look? That sounds like someone I've seen somewhere. Wait, I'll show you a picture. No, the one from the marriage proposal site. He kept messaging me and then I blocked him last month. Okay, here, this is him. No way. We need to go to the police right now. Are you absolutely sure about what you saw? Shani, I can't even look. Please ask sir to check. Is he still there? This is insane. Thank God the police are here to handle this. भाई ऐसा कभी होता है क्या? ये भूतों जैसी हरकत इंसान कब से करने लगे? खैर, एक बात तो बिल्कुल क्लियर है, आपके इंग्लिश के भूत को ग्रोविंग्स रफा दफा कर देगा। कीप प्रैक्टिसिंग ग्रोइंग विद ग्रोविंग्स।